Alright, this is just a bit of an update on my setup here. As usual, under this blanket, I have the original Acer Veriton 5100, which I still didn't put that CD-ROM drive in there. The HP LaserJet 4L printer has always been there. The Compi partner, which is actually, I think, from 1994. The 133 megahertz processor. Anyway, it's not the part of the video that I'm making the video about. It made no sense, but yes, I got a new workbench. I just built this like along the I don't remember, but it was on a weekend, not last weekend. It's probably going to be way different when I upload this, but yeah. Nice big bench. See, there's the Celeron NetVista, just the original IBM NetVista, the redneck IBM NetVista, and I'll get to this one in a minute. There's that HP computer that we all know and love, and actually has a dead power supply, which sucks. The trusty compact Presario 3000. The ever-ready computer, custom built, with a Celeron, Dell Dimension 4500, Dell Dimension 3000, compact Presario S4200NX, PowerEdge SC440, the original custom built right here, Acer Veriton 5200, the second Acer Veriton 5100, Dell Dimension 3000, and behind this stupid flat screen we've got the SC440, another one, and the PowerEdge SC420. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know. Oh yeah, and the custom built Pentium 3 under there, but it's out of commission since it has a busted heatsink. So yeah, that's that. And that's my portable GE radio from the 80s. It still works great. I think I have a video of that. It's probably not going to be uploaded for a while. Not much to see. But anyway, the point of this video is this IBM NetVista right here. As you can see, it is an IBM. As you go down, it has a CD-ROM drive, which is original to the thing, and a DVD dual layer, DVD dual layer burner. Usual 3.5-inch floppy drive, which I think works. Place to put another floppy drive right there. Two USB front panel USB ports. No front panel audio because it's an old NetVista. It's got a Pentium 4 designed for Windows XP, and it's a model number 6350. Okay then. So one thing I want to show you is how to get the hard drive out if you're trying to do it really fast. So on the back, there's this lever. See that blue thing there? Yeah. Now if I push this, watch what happens. Or usually happens. Okay. Yeah, see, this will come off. Oh shit. There. As you can see, NetVista, power button, LEDs. Yeah, not much to see. And yeah, there you've got access to that. There's the floppy drive, blank for another floppy drive, or whatever the hell you would want to put in there. And this is a quick way to get the hard drive out if you don't want to take off the side panel. You can just do that, and there's two tabs here. That's where your hard drive would go. Of course, I don't have a hard drive in it right now because the Desk Star that came with it was dead. And went up the rails on this other Seagate drive I have, because I have about 20 of these. It wouldn't fit because of the stupid rubber thing, so I'm probably going to cut that off and stuff it in there if the computer works. Now, this is a NetVista. I'll show you why in a minute. And this just goes on by putting it in like so and clipping it into place. Now, on this side, we have my product key, and then the hole for the speaker. If you can see that, there's vents there. Yeah, wonderful. Speakers at the top. Now, this isn't even an IBM NetVista. It's actually another IBM type variety, but it's from the same era, or except I think 2004, and this was made in 2002. But I mean, the motherboard's the only thing that's different. Everything else is original. Even the RAM. Huh. So, goddamn, what was I gonna say? Right. So, it's not the original IBM NetVista motherboard. The original IBM NetVista motherboard would have had an AGP video card, and everything else would be on board. This one, everything is on board. You don't even need any option cards unless you want FireWire. So, in this big box of just option cards, IDE cables, I think even a PC speaker or something, and an IBM USB header, so you can plug it into the board and have front panel USB. In fact, I'm going to be needing that because these USB ports that came with the thing don't work with this board. These ones do. Anyway, this is the video card that came with it. See, it's VGA. Has this weird lip type deal thing there. It's a NVIDIA graphics card. That's all I have to say about it. It's kind of looks like a piece of crap. Either that or it's really good. I don't know. Yeah, there's the whole thing. This one isn't as complicated as the one that came with VCam now, is NetVista Tower. But this is the one that was with the original configuration of that thing. I'm trying to see here. Yeah, I have no idea how big this video card is. Yeah, I don't know, but it's probably 64 meg, maybe even a 32 meg. Who knows, but it's halfway decent anyway. It'll work in a pinch, I guess. Anyway, to the main computer. To get the side panel off, as usual, that little button there, you would press it and it would slide off like this. Just press it in, and then grab the end of the side panel, and now it's off, for the most part. On the side panel we have, what an odd shape for a side panel. If you look at it straight, yeah, but I guess, yeah. There's the picture. IBM shows us nice diagrams. No one cares. Everybody knows how to do that. Inside, you've just got CD-ROM drive bays, 3.5-inch bay, floppy drive, motherboard deep down in there, where the hard drive would go is right there. You could put a second hard drive there above the floppy drive if you wanted. Yeah, there's the speaker way in there. There's a fan there, and here's the power supply. This is pretty interesting. You push down on this. Usually there. See, the power supply swings out like this. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust my truck. Son of a bitch. Anyway, piece of crap camera decided to shut off and make a beeping noise. I don't even know how it's working right now because the cover is half popped off of the SD card compartment, so if it stops, don't be surprised. Anyway, yeah, power supply comes out like that. It's attached down there with a 20-pin connector, but see the motherboard in there? That's not even a Pentium 4, it's a Pentium 4 hyper-threading CPU, so that's wonderful. That's also how I know it's not a NetVista. And considering the fact that it's not really compatible, well, not entirely compatible with the NetVista's original hardware. Yeah, right now I have all the drives unplugged because I was told it has a problem where it doesn't do anything when you turn on the fan spin and nothing else really happens. So yeah. Just flip it around here. Got this nice little thing, fin type deal sticking out the back. Of course, it's going to interfere with all these cords just sitting here. There's the back of the power supply. Yeah, pretty normal. PS2 mouse and keyboard, serial port, parallel port, 6 USB ports. Wow, that's freaking awesome. Got an Ethernet port and audio. What else can I say? There's a fan, and there's where the video card was, in that gaping hole. Alright, I think I'll just put it back together, hook it up, and we'll see what it does, I guess. So until then, okay, let's see what happens. I'll just turn this here on. Looks like the monitor's got power. Indeed. Okay, now, count of 3. Is this a good place for it? Yeah. I'm just gonna plug the computer in on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so what I did was I just threw in that AGP video card, because one long, too short, was beep, beep, beep. That means it's a video error, so we're just going to see what happens. Don't really have much to lose anyway. Yep. Monitor's on, and now I'll just plug it in. Ooh, that didn't sound good at all. Huh. It's this... Ah. Alright, plan B. Here's a good demonstration of how this hard disk thing works. Then you just take these blue tabs and pull it out just like any other toolless IBM case. Put it... Okay. You'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. I actually got this video card, the same 64 megabyte NVIDIA one. It is 64 megabytes, by the way. Got it to actually work. I just had to turn it on, it beeped. I turned it off and made beep, turn it back on quickly, and, well, not the computer, but I mean the power supply, and it actually showed me the IBM logo. Like, I saw the monitor kick in, and the logo popped up, so I was happy. The end. I'm just going to add some new front panel USB and a new power switch. I'm just going to steal from this one temporarily until I can get a longer one, and then test it for complete functionality. So until then. Okay, I put in a new USB front USB thing that I robbed out of. Actually, no, I just had it laying around. It's the power switch that I stole from the redneck IBM over here. I'll get another one for that later. So now we are going to test to see if it still works or if I just ruined a good moment. So. Huh. Okay, well, something's definitely wrong. Huh. Definitely didn't do anything bad that time. It's just not doing anything at all. That's the problem. Okay, I don't like that. Let's shut off the monitor. Kill power to it. Wonderful. Okay. Attempt 2. Ouch. Okay. Alright.